Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I have got an unboxing for you, and I am aware that I am the latest person in the world to upload this because we are currently, what is it, the 30th of July today? I'm unboxing Birchbox. I resubscribed just because I wanted another box, and they had a really good offer on where you could get a 6-month subscription. I've got my email here, which is £74.75, but then you get 50% off. So I got 6 months for £37.37, which is a bargain. So yeah, I got it. It came today. When did I order this? I ordered it like 10 days ago, and it's just come now. So yeah, have I seen this one, or is this a mystery one? I don't even know. But this is the box. It's really pretty, very pretty. I used to have Birchbox a lot, but then I just felt like it was always really small samples, and I was a bit like meh. And then Mum had it for a while, just because she likes to be in videos and she wanted something for us to do. Then she swapped to Look Fantastic, and I just kind of thought, you know what, I'll give them another chance. And for half off, I couldn't really moan. So we will see what we've got. If it is your first time here, hi, I'm Lucy. Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription box, and it comes in these little fancy drawers every month, and you can keep these and then stack things in them. Or if you're like my mum, you can get it for 18 months and never actually use anything in it and just have them all stacked up in your bedroom like she does. But yeah, let's jump in. I think it costs £12.95 if you're doing it monthly, including delivery. But you can, like I said, at the minute get it cheaper. I don't know if it's still running. If it is, I'll put it on the screen as to what date it ends, but it's a really good deal. So this is what it is. It doesn't smell. Sometimes you get a really nice smell. So this one says Fruity Beauty, and I've just remembered why I ordered this one, because of something that is in it. So it says, hello Birchboxers, squeeze up to the last drop of all the fruit powered products you'll find in the July box. Embrace the warm weather and enjoy all the fresh new treats in your box. So the first thing I've got is a Philip Kingsley Flaky Itchy Scalp Shampoo. I don't have a flaky itchy scalp, so I will not be using this, but I'll chuck it in a giveaway. I'm currently creating a couple of beauty boxes, and I will chuck it in there. But this is a little sample size Philip Kingsley shampoo. Full size is £25, which looks like 200ml maybe. It's a nice big bottle. Want strong shiny hair? Get to the root of the issue by showing your scalp some TLC. The soothing formula gently cleanses the skin on your head, effectively an extension to the skin on your face to leave it soft and healthy, just like your strands. Massage thoroughly into your scalp and then rinse clean. So that is that. Next up is a Paw Paw, and it is a multi-purpose soothing balm, natural Paw Paw. This is a rich mocha balm. I've not had this one. I think this is one of the only Paw Paws I haven't had. If you are new to the beauty box subscription world, come on camera, Paw Paw is in a lot of them, like a lot. I've probably got like 6 of these upstairs, big ones, because they do like multi-purpose balms that you can like put on dry skin and stuff, but they're very popular. I've never actually seen anyone buy one, but you get them in beauty boxes a lot. But this is either hot pink or rich cocoa. I think I've had the hot pink one of these, to be honest. Never had this one. And it says, if you already love the awesome hydrating benefits of Dr. Paw Paw Balm, then you're in luck. This little tube contains all that good stuff with a hint of colour. Thanks to the natural Paw Paw, it's just as hydrating as the clear balm, but this one is a pretty pop of colour to your lips and cheeks. So let's have a little look and put it on my lips. Well, it looks quite dark. Put it on. I wouldn't put that on my cheeks. Not for me anyway. Put that in pale. Let's put it on my lips. I've already got gloss on, but we'll put a bit more on. Oh, it's not dark on your lips. It's quite pretty. Yep. My camera's just like, can you stop moving, please? That's nice. I'm happy with that. I'll chuck it in my handbag. Nice little balm. Next up, ooh, it's Ciate. Go on, Birchbox, with your bad self. Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. That sounds amazing. Infused with watermelon, this unique aqua serum primer grips foundation for long wear and added glow with witch hazel extract, niacinamide, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. This primer helps to brighten and refine pores while the watermelon extract droplets combat dehydration. It's so cool. It's got like little droplets inside it. My camera is probably going to take like a week and a half. Can you see? Go on, camera. Let's try from here. You can see all those little bits in it. That is so cool. Let's have a little. Ooh. So I didn't. Look, it's clear, and then it's got these little. You see the little bits in it? Do they pop? Do they pop? They do. Oh, that is weird. It's left like little black flecks on my skin. Oh, it smells amazing. I will give that a go next time I do some foundation. And we will see how that works. But that's awesome. I'm very intrigued to try that. Lovely stuff. Birchbox is winning today. And next up is a sheet mask, and it is a Beauty Pro coconut infused sheet mask. Lovely stuff. This brand do a CBD one of these, which is like my all-time favorite face mask. It is so nice. So I'm very excited to try a coconut one. Coconut is like my favorite smell for skincare. So that is lovely. Coconut, mushroom and red algae. And it says this is $4.95. Oh, I should say the Paw Paw was $6.95. The Ciate primer is £24. I'm assuming that's all full size, whereas these aren't full size. This is full size, and this is $4.95, and I'm just spitting everywhere. Say hello to calm, nourished skin with the luxurious coconut oil infused sheet mask with vitamin E and essential amino acids. This mask will help lock away moisture into the skin for a fresh and dewy glow. Did you know coconut has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits and helps repair the skin's natural barrier? I did not know that. So that's lovely. And then the reason that I've subscribed was for this, which is the Polar Very High Protection sun lotion. It's awesome. I have had the face one of these before and I absolutely loved it. And it's like my favourite SPF. We love a multitasker, especially during the summer. This velvety formula offers high UVA and UVB protection, fighting sunburn and premature aging, water resistant, light and non-greasy. It spreads easily and is suitable for sensitive and sunburn prone skin. The sun fluid is formulated without perfume to ensure the tolerance by all skin types. And that's £20.20 for a full size. But it's factor 50, which I really like. And the other one that I've had is the silky, I think it's called the silky face fluid or something. And it is the same packaging as this, and I'm very nearly out of it. So I will be using this on my face. I don't care if you're not meant to. Hopefully I won't break out, but we'll see. But yeah, I love this. That is why I subscribed. So other than the shampoo, everything else is awesome. I am very happy with that. I might even do the face mask tonight. I might treat myself. So yeah, Birchbox is back. I'm assuming next month I will get it at the start of the month when it comes out and not have to wait until the 30th again. Let's hope. We shall see. But yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a great big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I'm currently running a giveaway, which I'll link somewhere for you guys. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.